Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Med Concepts. Today, we'll discuss the radial nerve, the main nerve of the extensor compartment of the upper limb. It is one of the most important nerves in anatomy and is frequently tested in MBBS, FCPS, USMLE, and other medical examinations because of its clinical importance in wrist drop and Saturday night palsy. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand its origin, cause, motor supply, sensory supply, clinical anatomy, and important clinical tests. Introduction. The radial nerve is the largest terminal branch of the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. Its root value is C5 to T1 mnemonic. Radial equals raise the hand. It mainly supplies the extensor muscles of the arm and forearm. Now, let's discuss its cause. The radial nerve begins in the axilla, passes through the triangular interval, runs in the radial, that is, spiral, groove of the humerus, pierces the lateral intermuscular septum, and then passes anterior to the lateral epicondyle, where it divides into superficial branch, that is, sensory branch, deep branch, that is posterior interosseous nerve, that is motor. So mnemonic, of course, is axilla to spiral groove, to lateral epicondyle, to arrow superficial and deep branches. What its motor supply? In the arm, it supplies triceps brachii, anconeus, brachioradialis, extensor carpi radialis longus. In the forearm, supplies all extensor muscles, including extensor carpi radialis brevis, supinator, extensor digitorum, extensor digiti minimi, extensor carpi ulnaris, abductor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, extensor indicus. So it goes on and on. Mnemonic is radial equals all extensors. What is its sensory supply? The radial nerve supplies sensation to posterior arm, posterior forearm, dorsolateral hand, dorsal surface of the lateral 3.5 digits, except fingertips. Mnemonic, back of arm plus back of hand. Clinical anatomy. Axillary injury, that is, crutch palsy. Its features include loss of elbow extension, wrist drop, weak finger extension, sensory loss over posterior arm and forearm. Next is midshaft humerus fracture. Its features include wrist drop, weak wrist and finger extension, triceps usually spared. Next is posterior interosseous nerve injury. Its features include finger drop, no sensory loss, wrist extension preserved but weak. So mnemonic is radial nerve injury equals wrist drop. What are the clinical tests for radial nerve wrist extension? Tests radial nerve. Thumb extension tests posterior interosseous nerve. Finger extension tests extensor digitorum. Brachioradialis reflex tests C6 radial nerve. Let's quickly revise what we have discussed. Radial nerve arises from posterior cord. Its root value is C5 to T1. Its motor supply is triceps plus all extensors. Its sensory supply is posterior arm, posterior forearm, dorsolateral hand. An important injury is wrist drop clinical tests, wrist extension, finger extension, thumb extension, brachioradialis reflex. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture helpful, please like this video, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to Med Concepts for more high-yield anatomy lectures. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.